Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Maintaining your Dyson AM is crucial for its longevity and efficiency. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to keep your device running smoothly. Step 1. Gather your tools. Before you start, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, a can of compressed air, and a brush with soft bristles. These will help you perform a thorough cleaning and maintenance. Step 2. Unplug your Dyson AM. Safety is paramount. Always unplug your device before starting any maintenance. This will prevent any accidental activation while you work. Step 3. Remove the filter. Locate the filter on your Dyson AM. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. This is an essential part that needs regular cleaning. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear, and allow it to dry completely before reattaching. Step 4. Clean the exterior. Using a soft cloth, wipe down the exterior of your Dyson AM. This will help remove dust and dirt buildup. Remember to avoid any harsh chemicals that could damage the surface. Step 5. Inspect and clean the brush bar. Flip your Dyson AM over to access the brush bar. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws holding the cover in place. Once removed, check for hair or debris tangled in the brush. Use your soft bristle brush to gently dislodge any buildup. Step 6. Check for blockages. Run a visual inspection along the vacuum's hose and attachments. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may be causing blockages. If you find significant issues, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 7. Reassemble your Dyson AM. Once everything is clean and dry, reattach the filter and brush bar cover. Ensure all screws are tightened securely to prevent any operational issues. Step 8. Test your vacuum. Plug in your Dyson AM and conduct a brief test run. Listen for any unusual noises that may indicate a problem. If something doesn't sound right, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, making it convenient for you. Conclusion. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your Dyson AM and ensure it operates at peak performance. If you don't have the tools or time to perform these steps, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide quote before repair services and ensure no calls, no travel is necessary. Keep your Dyson AM in top shape without the hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.